Hello everyone, it's Arthur here from Metro Hobbies. We recently took delivery of the new Powerline V cars. So they come in 3 to 4 different colours. So first off, we've got the VR colours, or VR-preservation colours. So we've got the beautiful Hudson's Bay coach right here. To be honest, it's actually a really good paint job. I love the fact that they've got the right typeface for the second class. It's actually got an interior. It's got all of its air cons and so forth. And they also do come in the more traditional VR ones. You then have the 1980s, so for people who are modelling very early V-Line up to the mid-90s, you've got the V-Line Tangerine in grey. Beautiful coach once again, will run perfectly well behind anything from a VRB all the way up to an A. And then you've also got the V-Line Blood and Bone. So these carriages would be perfect for people who are modelling from about the mid-90s all the way up till the time when they introduced what they call the cheeseburger livery. Once again, beautiful coach. There's the undercarriage detail again. They've got beautifully turned metal wheels. So yeah. What else can I say? We've got a lot of them in at the moment, so you can come into either CBD store, Box Hill store, or buy them online. So yeah,